Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening your camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, which is good because now we have to open the settings. So let's simply tap on this arrow at the top. You can tap on it or simply swipe your finger from the top to the center. And here we've got additional options, let's say, and there with this hourglass icon we've got the timer. So let's tap on it. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option which you'd like to use. Here we've got the timer option highlighted. We can see that we just set 10 seconds and now we can go back to the camera, and unfortunately we do not have any kind of information, any kind of icon that will show us that we've got the timer set. So you could be surprised after opening the camera and trying to take a photo after a while. And when you will forget that you've used the timer, but that's okay. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, we can also turn it off the same way, so we have to open the settings, tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.